Jeez.
Good morning. It's 5 a.m. Our ceiling just fell on us while we're sleeping. That's why Chad's bleeding.
Yep.
He seems to be okay,
Yeah,
but he does have a small
just a
wound.
scratch all over my face.
Let's look at our ceiling. Hey, there's a hole there. This just happened while we were sleeping. See the dust on Chad's pillow. So this is fun. Good times, good times. It's nighttime now. Sorry if you can hear the washer. It's been going all day, washing all of the dust out of our things after the ceiling fell on us this morning. I'm sitting on my laundry pile. It's quite large. Chad is currently taping garbage bags to the ceiling in the hope that dust won't fall on us while we sleep. I'm very tired. Yep, I got about 4 hours of sleep, 3.5 hours of sleep, 4.5 hours of sleep. I don't know. About that much. We ordered tasty Vietnamese street food for dinner because cooking wasn't going to be a thing. And I'm going to put this pile of bedding plus my crochet project. This isn't a finished blanket. This is my project that I was going to work on, but I just added it to my pile. Maybe I'll just live on this pile. Maybe I'll just sleep on this pile. I think that Ash Cat would be fine with that. Problem solved. We fixed it.
Oh, you're Vlogmasing?
Yep. It's fine.
Just put some newspaper over it. It's fine.
We moved the bed.
Yep.
Now only the fan and this part of the ceiling could fall on us.
And it would just be me and my feet. So that's okay. Hello.
How's your face wound?
Could
Lovely.
be better, could be worse. Not bad. Hidden behind my glasses.
It is hidden behind your glasses. I'm tired.
Yep. Just sleep right there.
Okay. We made hot chocolate and cookies.
Well, the hot chocolate is pending.
I'm working on it.
Yeah. But the cookies are, you know, they're snowmen.
Frosty the Snowman.
Specifically, you think?
I'm sure they're branded.
That's probably right.
Good morning. It's the next day. I was too sleepy last night to do this whole thing, and we just watched Try Guys videos, and I crocheted a little bit and then went to sleep, and I slept in really late, and I'm still really tired. But I have a haircut soon, so I'm going to do yesterday's advents now, and then I'll do today's advents later. So this is for the 15th, and confused about what days are. This one. There it is. Oh, it's a reindeer, but he has a weird big head. Stickers. It's stuck. Come on, thing. Bunnies. Bunnies enjoying bread treats by Sleepy Dudes. Very cute. I like that they're small stickers. They'll fit nice in my bullet journal. I think my favorite thing on here is the little bunny loaf of bread. It's adorable. Godiva. I found it. The little door is being stubborn. Slightly concave from the melting. Dark chocolate ganache bliss. Ganache. Coffee. Papua New Guinea. And they like it in a French press again. Will I actually make a French press? Probably not. Yarn time. This thing is huge. Something hard in it. It's not yarn. Very interesting. Ooh, it's like a kind of purpley gray. That's very nice. Ooh, is this a candle? It is a candle. That's so exciting. This must be Jareth. I mean, I know that this is Jareth, but I'm assuming maybe the name of the yarn is Jareth. Cute sticker again. Black, amber, cypress, plum, and magic. I didn't know I was getting a candle. Oh my gosh. It's got some glitters in it, and it has a little sun charm in there. It's so festive and magical. It's got that marble for the crystal ball. I'm impressed with the candle theming. Well, that was exciting. It is called Jareth, and it's dyed with logwood. Neat. Okay, that's it for the 15th. I'll see you tomorrow. Today.